This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ivania Bosch. Beautiful move-in ready villa located in a maintenance-free living community. Come take a look and fall in love with this home, offering a welcoming front porch overlooking a park-like setting view. Living room offers laminate flooring and chair rails. Tile floors in kitchen, dining and bathrooms. Kitchen offers ample countertop and storage space plus a utility room with a built-in desk. All appliances included. Resort-style amenities. Located near shopping, dining, healthcare, and entertainment. Come fall in love with Unit C in the Americana Village. For more information, review the details below or contact Ivania Bosch at 352-361-3062.